Good afternoon, audience. I would like to share with you the Americans with Disabilities Act, which prohibits discrimination based on disability at all public and private schools except for schools ran by religion institutions. Under federal and state law, schools cannot discriminate against students and applicants with disabilities. This means that if you have a disability in the academic or standards or other standards for admission to a particular to participate in school programs, you cannot be treated differently from other students. Denied admission or enrollment, graded poorly, failed, suspended, expelled, or harassed because of your disability. Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act states it prohibits such discrimination at any school, including church-affiliated schools that receive federal funds, such as student financial aid, loan programs. These two laws provide similar protection to students and applicants with disabilities. They are entitled to reasonable accommodations, which are adjustments or modifications made to school policy. Specified supports are services provided to a student with a disability to enable the student to participate in school programs including admission, academics, vocational education, housing, physical education, athletics, recreation, transportation, counseling, health insurance, covering both physical and psychological disabilities, and financial aid. Reasonable accommodation. Qualified students with disabilities may also obtain reasonable accommodation so that they can participate in school programs. What is a reasonable accommodation for a particular student will depend on the situation and type of programs. Examples of support or services that may be provided to a student include not accessing penalties for spelling errors on papers or exams, allowing substitutes for certain required courses, allowing extra time on exams or to turn in papers, providing exams in an alternative form, allowing a reduced course load, and extra time in which to earn a degree, such as note takers take text, interpreters, readers, video text display, talking calculators, braille calculators, printers, or typewriters, telephone headset amplifiers, closed capture decoders, open and closed capture TV. If your school refuses to provide you with the reasonable accommodation you need and fails to address access problems or otherwise discriminates against you because of your disability, you can file a grievance or complaint with the school. You can file a complaint with the Office of Civil Rights of the United States Department of Education, or you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Justice. Try to resolve things informally by negotiating directly with the school board mediator. Or if everything else fails, you can file a lawsuit for violations of the ADA and Section 504. You can file a lawsuit in a federal or state court. If you seek money damages only under $5,000, you can file a complaint in small claims courts under the Urine Act, Section 11135 or Section 54.